In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to fix unable to load photos on your iPhone. So if you're currently having problems with not being able to load photos on your iPhone and you want to be able to fix this, well, I'm going to show you how I myself was able to fix this issue. So what you're going to do firstly is to find the settings button. So go into your settings on your iPhone and then you should be taken to this page right here. So the most common issue for it to actually be like that is, I'm going to show you, you're going to scroll down, click on general, then you should be taken here. Scroll down and click on iPhone storage. And in here, see if your iPhone storage is currently running out. For me, it's not right now because I did clean up a lot. So if you actually have this one, for example, let's say if you have 256 gigabyte and it's like basically at that point right now, well, then you need to clean it up and then try again. And hopefully that will fix this issue. Another thing you can also do to be able to fix this issue is to go back here, click on software update and check if you have any update. It might take a couple of seconds, by the way, for this page to load. It often does, unfortunately, but you will be able to see if you have any kind of updates coming up or if you have any current update that you can actually already get on your phone. So just get it and then you will be able to probably fix another one of those bugs that can happen if you don't have a new update, basically, just so you know. So if you follow along with these two steps, you will be able to fix unable to load photos on your iPhone.